Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to take full control of your notifications in Microsoft Teams if you've ever felt overwhelmed by constant pings or missed important updates. This guide will help you customize alerts so you stay informed without the distraction. Let's dive in. First, open your Microsoft Teams application and make sure you're logged in. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of the interface and click on the three-dot icon. That's your More Options menu. From the drop-down, select Settings. This is where all your team's preferences are managed. In the Settings window, focus on the left-hand side menu and click on Notifications and Activity. This section is specifically designed to manage how and when Teams alerts you about different activities. Now, here's where the magic happens. You can tailor your notifications to fit your workflow perfectly. Teams lets you adjust alerts for mentions, messages, other people's status changes, and more. For each activity, you have several options. Pop-up alerts that appear directly on your screen banner notifications that show up briefly in Teams, or even turning alerts off entirely for activities that aren't critical. This customization ensures you only get notified about what really matters, helping you stay focused and organized throughout your day. And that's it. Managing notifications in Microsoft Teams is simple once you know where to look. By customizing your alerts, you can stay connected, reduce distractions, and make Teams work for you. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Microsoft Teams tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.